Still staring at a blank email editor, trying to figure out what to write? And even when AI helps, the email still sounds robotic. That's exactly what we have fixed. Instead of bouncing between AI tools, Google Docs, and your CRM, you can write, refine, and manage your email campaigns directly inside WordPress. Let's see how it works. First, you need to connect your AI tool to Fluent CRM. For that, go to Settings, open the AI Writing tab, and enable the feature. From there, you can choose between OpenAI, Claude, or Google Gemini, depending on which AI platform you already use. Then, simply choose your model, paste your API credentials, and verify the connection. Now, hit save, and that's it. Your AI writing workflow is ready to go. All right, it's time to write better emails faster with AI. If you open emails and click on Add Campaign, you'll find 4 ways to craft a perfect campaign for your audience. Let's name the campaign and go with the default editor. The interface is really clean. Just click the plus icon and click on Write with AI. And instantly, you get an AI-powered content block right inside the editor. Now, depending on your requirements, whether you're an educator, an online store owner, or running an agency, you can choose the tone of the email before generating anything. Professional, friendly, urgent, formal, it's all there. You can also control the output length depending on the type of campaign you're creating. And the next step is all about bringing in the best output from AI. This is where writing an email just gets smarter. Let's say you want to send a sales campaign for your online store. You don't have to sit back and think for hours on what to write. The best part about the AI builder is even if you write something vague like, write me a summer sale campaign email, and click generate, you'll definitely get a result. But most of the time, it'll sound generic because AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. Once the AI generates a first draft, you're not locked into the result. You can quickly refine different parts of the email using the built in prompts. If any portion of the script sounds longer than it should be, you can make it shorter in just a click. And if the first result doesn't feel quite right, simply regenerate the content as many times as you need to make sure it stays campaign ready. Similarly, you can rewrite, expand, and even make AI check the grammar for you all without any hassle. In case you couldn't find the one that fits into your needs, you can write a custom prompt and get the exact result you want. Now, the thing that sets apart Fluent CRM's AI powered email from the other is a human touch. AI here is speeding up your process, reducing your load, and you're the one crafting right content for your customers. This isn't just AI workflow. This is a human plus AI workflow powered by Fluent CRM. And honestly, that's where the best results happen right now. So let me quickly complete building the email. In the meantime, grab a coffee and hit the subscribe button so you never miss any update from WPManageNinja. All right, the email content is set. Now it's time to preview and test. Before sending, Fluent CRM allows you to preview the email. From there, you can easily check 3 important things. First, does it look good on all devices? Second, is the CTA easy to find? Third, does the email still make sense if someone only reads the first 2 lines? Because most people don't read emails like a book, they scan. So your message needs to be clear fast. You can even send a test email to see how it exactly looks in your customer's inbox. This is especially important if you're using buttons, images, dynamic fields, or custom formatting. But here's the trick. This isn't just limited to email campaign. So whether you're creating a one-time campaign, a welcome sequence, or an automation workflow, Fluent CRM AI helps you write faster inside the same system. And just like that, with Fluent CRM and AI, you can go from a blank editor to a polished email campaign in minutes. And you can still review everything before it reaches your audience. If you want to write better emails 10 times faster, don't look for another AI email writer. built a smarter system where AI helps you create faster and Fluent CRM helps you send smarter. Try Fluent CRM for yourself. Links in the description. Also, check out our other WordPress automation tutorials on our channel if you want to build a more efficient marketing stack directly inside WordPress. I'll catch you in the next one.